ऑल राइट, फनीशा के स्टूडियो में धूम मच गई है बिकॉज एज यू ऑल माइट बी नोइंग फॉर नाउ कि हमारे साथ हमारे स्टूडियो में है द मल्टी फेसेटेड, द मल्टी टैलेंटेड सिंगर, डॉक्टर, एक्टर, सॉन्ग राइटर, डॉटिंग फादर
Okay.
and the front man of Euphoria. Dr. Palash Sen is with us and the entire Euphoria is with us. So a big round of applause for Dr.
Yay!
Sen and the Euphoria. So welcome to Dallas, Dr. Sen, और मैं कह सकती हूँ पलाश दा.
Hey, Dr. Sen sounds like you're talking about somebody else. So like it's okay.
Okay.
But I'm very very happy that somebody called me Dr. Sen. मैंने बहुत पढ़ाई की है. So it should be acknowledged.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to start with this interview with a Facebook post that you made while you were traveling to Dallas. जो आपने फ्लाइट में जो आपने वो पिक्चर डाली थी एंड द राइटर, इट वाज क्वाइट ओवरवेलमिंग एज अ फैन जो मैं पढ़ रही थी. एंड जो आपने लिखा था दैट इट रिमाइंडेड यू ऑफ द प्लेस दैट यू डिडंट स्टार्ट ऑफ फ्रॉम द प्रिविलेज. हाउ वुड यू से दैट जर्नी कि दोज हम्बल बिगिनिंग्स टू दिस मोमेंट, हाउ हैज दिस शेप्ड यू एज अ पर्सन not and is reflected in your music?
So basically, I come from a family of doctors. So all of my entire family, we are my papa, my mom, my kaka, my dadu, So I'm a 17th generation doctor from my family. Obviously, the first 13 generations were all Ayurvedic doctors. But the last 4 generations were allopathic doctors before me. So I would say it's just a life of being doctors, service people who are caring about people, who are treating people. So it's not really a life of privilege.
Right.
The privilege is actually knowledge and studies and music.
Correct.
And because everybody in my family was a musician also, that was a privilege. So money was never the privilege. So why I wrote that entire post was because I said, if everybody thinks getting a first class seat is that important in life, it wasn't to me.
Right.
I mean, it was not something that I yearned for or I chased, and that's what I tell the boys also कि पैसे के पीछे भागने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. जिंदगी में अगर if we pursue knowledge, if we pursue music, and if we pursue goodness, money will find us. So
Great.
I always believe that. So whatever the beginnings, I was always these were the values that I always had, and these are values I share with the rest of the band. And I make sure that Euphoria is always going to be India's most loved band.
Absolutely.
Whether we are the most hyped or we are the most rich or we are the most famous, I don't really care.
Absolutely. I mean, it's almost 26 plus years of Euphoria, and I was there in the show that you performed while you're in this tour, and you had set the stage on fire, I must say. So after so many years, how does it feel to see that spark in the audience's eyes still now for Euphoria? And
Actually, that's the biggest statement that Euphoria would make to everybody who listens to Indian music now. That there was a time that everybody made honest music, and honest music, true music, music of the soul, music of the soil, it never finishes, it never ends. People stay with it forever throughout their lives.
Correct.
Our memories are that music. I don't think the music that is being made right now over the last 2, 3, 4 years, anybody's making memories out of them.
Correct.
Because I don't think even a single person in the current lineup is talking about anything that is true to any one of us. So Euphoria was the middle class band.
Right.
We've always been the middle class, because we were all middle class boys, and we always spoke about the middle class problems, the woes. When we speak about love, it's the middle class way of love. It is not a love that's fly by night. It's a love that lasts forever.
correct.
And like all our songs, I always romanticize unrequited love. Because requited love होता है शादी, जो तुम्हारी बहुत जल्दी हो गई थी. Excepting you, everybody else should not laugh. So all the middle class problems, we spoke about that, and
Right.
the middle class grew with Euphoria.
Correct.
And all of you have seen Euphoria in different parts of your life, in your colleges or in other places where we performed. So all of you have adopted us as your own.
Correct.
So right now, Euphoria is not just an artist. We are part of a family. It's a huge family of Dhoomers and Euphorians. And those were the people who came for the show that night. And so we felt part of a family.
So just I was asking, and I was getting into this question already. So when you guys started the Indian fusion rock revolution, I must say, it was one of its kind back there in the 1998 when it started. Did you ever think that your music will go timeless as it is?
No way. No. I don't think of anything like that.
Uh-huh.
I stay in the moment. मुझे तो कल के होने वाला उसके बारे में भी नहीं सोचना और जो कल हो गया वो तो भूल ही गया 100%. So I remember telling the entire band, you're not seeing DJ here. He's still going to take a flight tonight and reach बड़ी मुश्किल से. DJ को मैंने बोला था when the first video was happening, and I remember the first shot I saw Michelle in that bus in Dhoom Pichak and Pradeep Da was taking the shot. I saw the shot and I told DJ, see, DJ, we're creating history.
Correct.
But nobody's going to listen to this music. Let's go back to our other jobs.
Oh my God.
I ran a clinic, so it was my papa's clinic that I was. So I told everybody, let's go back, do our jobs. Music जब आएगा तब देख लेंगे. But the people of India never let us give up.
Right.
They kept us relevant. We are still relevant in 2025. I don't think, and I'm going to say this to you, I mean, I should say this on this network. Our first two albums came out in 1998 and 2000. In 2025, we were re-recording, remixing and re-releasing those two albums.
Correct. Right.
As part of our gift for everybody who's listened to Euphoria for 25 years. So we must be the only artists who can do that. We waited patiently. You must know this, that nobody in India has, I was just speaking to Farhad, nobody in India has rights to their work. We waited 20 years to get those rights back.
Right.
Obviously, the labels didn't expect us to last. But yahi hai. I mean, if God is backing you, nobody can be defeated.
But what made you re-release the albums again? What was the thought behind it?
That's the thought. Like, we never owned that music. Why shouldn't we?
Sure.
Every artist should own their music. Every contract should be fair.
Right.
Whatever, आप 3 साल के लिए राइट्स ले लो, 4 साल के लिए 5, पर परपेचुइटी के लिए आप राइट्स नहीं ले सकते.
Correct.
For us to re-release our music is that telling everybody ये यूफोरिया है, ये म्यूजिक हमारा है. When you even buy one single, the money comes to Euphoria.
So वही जब आपने ये स्टार्ट किया था 1998 you were a medical student in the Delhi University with your friends. Any moment कभी आपको ये लगा था it was worth taking the risk of shifting this entire profession from a medical student or a medical professional to music?
See, I'll just tell you, in life is divided into two parts. When you're a musician, you get all the attention of all the girls. When you become a doctor, you get married.
So what happened in your case? What happened?
So this was what happened, So all the idea was to impress all the girls. They got impressed, but when they went back home, they went with their boyfriends.
Okay.
So I said, okay, बात नहीं, पढ़ाई वढ़ाई कर लो, कोई अच्छी लड़की मिल जाएगी. So I mean, I never thought so much, and I don't think of life that way. It's music is for infinity.
Right.
It's forever. So you do music for the happiness of the soul and for giving happiness to everybody who listens to you. See, we all are born and we all wonder why we are here. At least a musician knows why he's here.
Wow.
He's there because he's making people happy.
Wow.
When we sing anything, when they play anything, that gives happiness to people. And that is a reason enough to do music.
Correct. What a wonderful thought. I'm going to take it back home on this thought. I'm going to ask you the next question. That Euphoria has always changed the shape of Indian music, right? From the very beginning and through the course of its time, through these 26 years of its journey. अब जब नए independent artists आ रहे, तो आपको उनके कौन सी चीज़ में आपको बहुत गर्व महसूस होता है?
The fact that they're not chasing films and they're not chasing labels.
Right.
इसमें ही गर्व है. और इसका झंडा हम ही ने फहराया था और अभी हम लोग फहराते जा रहे हैं. And people are seeing कि देखो, if these guys could do it for 26 years, we can do it also.
Right.
So I will tell everybody why Euphoria lasted for 26 years. Because we gave up that one sin that everybody should give up, which is लालच.
Right.
Greed छोड़ दोगे तो सब कुछ आसान हो जाएगा. अगर आपने स्टार नहीं बनना है, आपने हीरो नहीं बनना है, आपने बहुत पैसा नहीं कमाना है, अगर आपको जैगुआर नहीं चाहिए, तो रास्ता आसान है. अगर आपको ये सब चीज़ें चाहिए तो आपको फिल्मों के पीछे जाना पड़ेगा, आपको लेबल्स के पीछे जाना पड़ेगा. सो आई नेवर हैड ग्रीड. जिंदगी में मुझे ग्रीड है प्यार की, कि भाई सबको प्यार देना चाहिए और सबसे प्यार मिलना चाहिए. And that's a good greed to have.
Right. Any contemporary artists that you listen to and you are a fan of recently?
I'm a fan of everybody.
But
I really feel that everybody's like I'm a big fan of Amit Trivedi.
right,
Even though he's doing film music, but that entire music sounds like independent music.
correct.
So I think his heart and soul is that of a independent musician.
Mm-hmm.
I love his work. I know you'll be expecting me to say the oft repeated word names, but I'm not interested in those names.
Okay.
So, and I have my reasons. So I mean,
Yeah.
you might think that I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one.
Oh wow.
So I feel that Amit is doing great work. There are lots of young guys who there's a new boy called Shashwat.
Mm-hmm.
He's doing great work.
Right.
There's some great new bands who are doing great work. There's a band called Yellow Diary.
Right.
There are bands in Kolkata who are still doing great work. One of our brothers are here. Fossils are also here.
Correct,
They're touring. So there are lots of music that is happening in India. The only thing that they face as a problem is the fact that they are not being marketed, like we are not being marketed. Because unless you have a माई बाप, you will not be. बट माई बाप होने का मतलब ही ये है कि अपना सब कुछ उनको हाथ दे दो, तो वो हमें नहीं देना है.
Do you regret on the fact that you didn't had the My Bap or you didn't had the
Our माई बाप is the audience.
correct.
You were there that night.
Absolutely,
So
absolutely.
उसके सामने क्या है यार?
Absolutely.
उनके लिए हाइप की जरूरत नहीं थी, उनके लिए पैसे की जरूरत नहीं थी, उनके लिए ये था यूफोरिया आ रहा है, हमने सुनना है.
Absolutely.
Because as I said, we are a people's band, of the people, by the people, for the people.
Correct. Lovely. So, Euphoria has always been an iconic band, of course, and I see a lot of young musicians joining you in this journey. This concert that I attended.
All young musicians.
Yeah. So, how has this fresh energy and new collaboration has shaped the
Wow,
vibe of the band?
wow. See, I'll just tell you, I have always believed that, do music if you have a common goal, if you have a common path. Agar there are people in the band who start having different goals or different paths, then there's no point, because I don't have a contract with anybody. It's not a contractual band. We are all one for all and all for one. And we all take the hits also equally and the goods also equally. So along the way, obviously there were people who didn't think this was worth their while, because this is not film music, this is not Bollywood music.
Right.
So they always had a different perspective. So I am very blessed that I found people who are like-minded, who want to do this for the journey.
Correct.
The journey is more important, when you as an RJ will know this, that of course, eventually at the end of the day you need a pay packet.
Right.
But the journey is more important. If you enjoy the journey, only then the pay packet is of some fun. So I think that's how, and the energy that these guys, because they're all phenomenal musicians, they all look at things
Absolutely.
Very differently. They look at
lovely
music.
that day.
Yeah, so they look at music very differently, and I think that's what we need. That's we all need it, and I mean they in their own what should I say, ways, they are also solo producers. They produce stuff for other people,
Right.
and they make music with other people, and that's so beautiful, and I enjoy it, and I just love the fact that so many different brains are coming together and trying to make music.
करेक्ट लवली सो यूफोरिया के गाने में ना एक कहानी होती थी,
हमेशा।
अभी भी है. आई मीन अभी भी इट हिट्स द राइट कॉर्ड व्हेन वी गेट बैक टू द यूफोरिया म्यूजिक. क्या आपको लगता है अभी भी ऑडियंस उस कहानी को सुनने में इंटरेस्टेड है अभी नए गानों में जो आ रहे?
जो इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है वो नहीं सुनने आएगा, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. जो इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है वो जाके तेरी कमर पे तेरी गुत और व्हाटएवर बल चल जो भी है वो सुने, अच्छी बात है. टू ईच इज ओन. जिसको जो सुनने का मन है जरूर सुने.
करेक्ट.
बट अगर किसी को सेंसिबल म्यूजिक सुनना है, दिल का म्यूजिक सुनना है, इंटेलिजेंट म्यूजिक सुनना है, अच्छे लिरिक्स सुनने हैं, साफ सुथरे वीडियोस देखने हैं, एक कहानी के साथ वीडियोस देखने हैं, जो कि आप अपनी पूरी फैमिली के साथ बैठ के देख सकते हैं, please visit us. Come to our YouTube. It's very simple. It's Euphoria. It's just called Euphoria Band actually. Or you come to our Instagram. You can come to Instadhoom. You can come to Euphoria Band wale, and you can just see what we are doing. Because we are doing it in our own way. We are not buying followers. We are not buying bots. We are making music. तुमने सुनना बहुत अच्छी बात है, आओ मैं गले लगा लूंगा.
Absolutely.
अगर नहीं सुनना है तो जाओ.
Okay, I'm going to ask the other members of Euphoria as well. How is the songs of Palash Sen, or Palash Sen as a front man has been inspiring you for so long? So
on stage, he's the main guy we get inspired from.
Yeah.
Obviously, Palash has been there in the industry since, everyone knows it.
Yeah,
And so we grew up listening to Dada. Sorry, can you hear me?
yeah.
So we grew up listening to Euphoria, and then I was lucky enough when I joined the band. So Dada came, we had the word, so that's when my musical journey started. Of
Right.
course.
Ambarish has been in the band for 13 years now.
Oh,
So
okay.
yeah. He's
15
been
हो गया अभी.
14 हो गया.
15.
15 हो गया.
So how is King Shuk taking forward the legacy of Euphoria?
Oh, he's taking it way ahead. He's already worked for Aditya Chopra. He's part of the musical Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge का एक English version है.
All right.
So he's
That's Come Fall in Love.
Come Fall in Love.
Yeah,
So
right.
he's in the lead in that.
Uh-huh.
Kinshuk is then he's done the lead for Meera Nair ji's Monsoon Wedding.
Oh wow.
तो वो जब हम पे हमारे साथ गाने आता है वो एक्चुअली हमारे पर एहसान कर रहा है. So
Okay. So Dhoom, Mairi, Kabutar, Abhi Na Ja, there are number of songs. I mean, I can't even name all of the songs that you have sung in your
you
memory.
just named Kabutar. I'm so happy. यार. We're all very happy about that.
No, मुझे जानना था कि आपके लिए आपकी पर्सनल डायरी कौन सी अगर मैं बोलूँ कौन सा गाना होगा?
पर्सनल डायरी में सिर्फ लड़कियों के नाम है गाने के.
So,
No,
okay.
See, when you make a song, it's like your child. So you don't have favorite children.
right.
I just why we opened with Dhoom Pichak is it's the most important Euphoria song.
Correct.
It was our introduction to everybody.
Right, right.
Otherwise, गाने सब हमारे लिए equal एक बराबर है.
Right.
So when we are all re-recording the stuff right now, so we just realized that 25 years back or 26 years back also हमने ये बनाया था.
Correct.
So we are getting inspired by our own music only. कि यार अच्छा हमने ये किया हुआ था, like now to redo it, to remake it, it's such a beautiful challenge,
Absolutely.
And I'm so happy. I think in the whole world we are the only guys who are going to do this. Taylor Swift did it, but then she did immediately. She had a problem with Sony, so she just re-recorded. But I don't think anybody's re-recorded their first songs 25 years later. So we are going to do something which is again going to be legendary.
Right.
Yeah.
So my last question to you, if you can answer it in one of your songs, you might. So Euphoria की रूह अगर क्या है, अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं तो वो किस गाने से आप बयां करना चाहेंगे?
I think our most important song, our biggest song is obviously Mairi, because I think it's become a very unlikely anthem. I never thought it's going to be an anthem. But I think the fact that, I sang it for my mother and eventually for everybody's mother, it was written for the mother actually. And but one thing is there, people play it in their weddings. That's the wrong thing to do. Because the whole song is about remembering somebody who's left you and gone. अपनी current बीवी के सामने क्यों कर रहे हो यार?
So can you please sing Mairi for Dallas की audience?
बिंदिया लगाती तो कांपती थी पलकें मायरी, चुन्निया सजा के वो देती वादे कल के मायरी, मेरे हाथों में था उसका हाथी चाशनी सी, हर उसकी बात मायरी आप ही हंस दी, मायरी आप ही रोंदी, मायरी याद वो मायरी गल्ला कर दी, मायरी अखा नाल लड़ दी, मायरी याद वो मायरी भूल गई मेरा प्यार माए बस लगे महीने 4, मायरी याद वो मायरी याद वो आई, मायरी याद वो आई, मायरी याद वो आयरी हुण की करा किन्नू कवा ए मायरी हुण की करा किन्नू कवा ए मायरी। सब अपनी अपनी माओ की बोलो जय जयकार।
Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for a wonderful interview and conversation that we had. It was lovely, and thanks again.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys.
Thank you.